6-liter. Here, we're going to see how she starts. Another Powerstroke start. This is 2004. Actually started a lot easier than it has been. .211. The interior is pretty rough, but the truck came in here needing a coupler for the turbo right there, that coupler. So we replaced that for temporary purposes, and the battery had a dead battery, so we just threw this one in here for temporary purposes. And that battery there's good. So let's grab these glasses up here. Doesn't seem to smoke. Seems to idle pretty smooth. Kind of hesitant. Has a vibration. Might have a bad injector or two. We'll see what happens, but anyways, here's a starting video of it for you guys.